Quicken Simplifi is a budgeting and personal finance app designed to help you manage your money more efficiently. Here's how to use Quicken Simplifi. Download and install. Start by downloading the Simplifi app from the App Store or Google Play, or access it through your web browser at the Simplifi website. Create an account. Sign up for a Simplifi account by providing your email address and creating a password. You may also be prompted to verify your email. Connect accounts. Link your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts to Simplifi. The app will securely import your transactions and balances. Set up budgets. Use Simplifi to create a budget by categorizing your income and expenses. The app allows you to set spending limits for different categories such as groceries, entertainment, and utilities. Track spending. Simplifi automatically tracks your spending and provides insights into your spending habits. You can view detailed reports and trends to understand where your money is going. Set goals. Define financial goals such as saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Simplifi helps you track progress towards these goals. Receive alerts. Set up alerts and notifications for bill due dates, low balances, and overspending to stay on top of your finances. Review and adjust. Regularly review your financial dashboard, adjust budgets and goals as needed, and categorize new transactions to keep your financial data accurate and up to date.